this is a collaboration with Creatively Miss Me with Stephanie. And this is a vision board, which that's one thing I have a hard time with, getting a vision. So this might be a video that's a little all over the place, somewhat like me most days, but we'll see how this goes. My vision this year is to gain more knowledge of hand painting. I'd like to learn how to do some hand painting of different items. I'd like to, of course, continue working on my social media platforms, especially Pinterest, YouTube, and Facebook. But I would also like to be able to this year spend some time doing some things that me and my husband loves to do together, which is camping. We like to go camping and we like to just get back to nature. And we really enjoy that. And last year with everything that's going on, we didn't get to do that. I'd like to go camping this year. And I really miss it because normally we go camping at least about a month out of the year, and we didn't get to go at all last year. So that would be one of my goals to do this year. Okay, my social media goals for 2021. My goal is to increase my following on Facebook. And I have now started selling platform, which will also help increase my following on Facebook. And I'll continue to my regular posts, and I'm trying to set a goal. I'm going to set a goal this year to try to do 2 Facebook Lives a week, which has been very difficult for me in the last few months. But that's going to be my goal for 2021, is to try to do 2 Facebook Lives a week. My YouTube goal for this week is to increase my subscribers. And I'm going to the way I'm going to work on that is to try to create better videos, upload at least twice a week, and join in collaborations with my YouTube sisters to help increase my subscribers on YouTube and try to give them the videos they want on the channel. And my next goal is for 2021 is I have plans to go to the Crafters Convention so I can meet some of my Facebook and YouTube sisters and some of my subscribers and followers on both platforms. I think it's good to get out to see the people that follows you and get an idea of what they want when you meet them. I think that's very important to be able to do that sometimes. I've done that a couple different times. And each time I came back with more creativity and more focus on what I want to do as a creator and a channel on Facebook and YouTube. I came back with inspiration on new things to do on my channels. So I always think that's good to be able to go out and do certain things like that if you can, because you only come back with more knowledge. And the more knowledge you have, the more you can pass along to your subscribers.